Hey everybody, it's White's Mobile Small Engine Repair. We're back with another video. Today we got a Troy built 17.5 horsepower engine, and the problem was that when you turn it over, it feels like it has so much compression that it won't turn over, hard to turn over. I narrowed it down after checking everything that the camshaft inside the engine is bad, so we're getting ready to pull the engine off now and go from there. Right now I'm just showing you, the process of I took the hood off of it and unbound it. He wanted to help me, so let him help me. But we got it jacked up. I got the fuse cut off. I got the deck dropped down, so that I could take that pulley off, make it easier. I'm also using a stand that made for that. Right here, you see where I'm touching right here. That release is bad. It's spring loaded, so it's supposed to be able to go back in, like it moves in and out. As I push, it's supposed to retract back, but it's broken. It needs to be replaced. So I'm just gonna replace the whole camshaft. Right here, you can see it better. What I'm saying. See how it won't retract back in. So that part needs to be replaced. The whole part. Right here, I'm just showing you the gasket and stuff that needs to be removed. I kind of started removing it. I kind of put a rag down in there or a cardboard box or anything to kind of keep that debris from going down in there. It really helps a lot. So just kind of get you a scraper and kind of scrape that off. Best thing to use is like some gasket removal. It helps with that as well. Right here, I'm just showing you, I have taken the engine off and getting ready to clean it, so to get the engine put back on. On this part right here, this part where we're gonna install the camshaft. Which one remember is you got a dot on the camshaft yourself, and you also have a dot on your crank right here. You want to make sure that you line those two things up. What I usually do is just have both of these slid in and have my push rods connected out. So like I said, once again, the problem with this lawnmower was you had your camshaft right here, the return right here, it was broken, which was causing it, when you try to turn the key over, it sounded like it felt like it was building like a lot of compression, and the lawnmower would not turn over to start. Now, if you put real hot jump cables on it, eventually it'll start to crank up, but we don't want that. We want to be able to crank up, crank up every time, when you turn the key over. So found out this was the problem. I tore the engine down, and now I'm replacing it. I'm gonna show you how to replace this part. Good teacher, son. Like I said, you want to make sure that those two are lined up. They are lined up. So, now, you want to also make sure this is pretty clean. I cleaned it up. I'm gonna hit it a little more. Just want to make sure it's clean. Put your gasket on it. Put your oil pan back on it. Button everything back down. Put it back on the lawnmower. Try it out. I'll be back when I get everything bolted back down. Also, you want to make sure when you're stirring your governor, you want to make sure you put it on like this right here. Let it set right up in there. It sets on that governor linkage right there. So when you put the cover and stuff on, it laps it up and it pushes everything so they have a steady fit. Got everything back together, got everything buttoned up. I did replace it, ended up replacing this oil seal right here. When I put it on, the other one kind of kinked out and made the wire come out. So the best thing to do, I pull the cover off, pop this one back out, leave the cover back on, and then you put that one back around and put you some more big enough, kind of tap it back in there, get it back, pretty smooth with this one, just a tad bit down, lower than the grooves would be perfect. Right now, we're getting ready to bolt it back up on the lawnmower. We'll be back when we get ready to get it bolted up and get it bolted up. Thanks for watching.